Delhi is a place where I have been born and brought up. We have the very organic streets of Old Delhi to the Mughal buildings and to the modern buildings of Gurgaon. So definitely would have had a huge impact on my design sensibilities. Luxury, to my mind, is a very vast subject. Best luxury of all is the luxury of good company. And that comes with good spaces. Best of our experiences would be a beautiful conversation, a good time that we spent with someone. And good spaces do make that happen for you. My name is Jaskaran Singh. I'm a designer and an architect. I'm part of a design studio called Fab, which was founded by my father. Design for me is finding the right solution to a set of problems or challenges. It has to be efficient, it has to be beautiful, it has to be attractive, because like any other solution, if it's not good enough to use, if a person doesn't feel excited enough to use it, it will never see the light of day. A space is made out of very many different elements. There is floor, ceiling, walls, furniture, art, lights. It's the details which actually bind them together. Long after the users of a house or any space have mentally digested the individual components, it's the details which continue to mentally engage with them. For example, there is a detail in this house at the junction of the floor and the wall. That's a very clean, rounded detail. That's how the floor transitions into the wall. Similarly, the way the wall transitions into the ceiling. Those details, when one surface meets the other, one material meets the other, those are the ones which I try and take a lot of time and craft them very carefully. We wanted to make the building present itself in a better manner. So we added a very deep veranda in the front, taken those beautiful classical columns over there. The project might have a very contemporary feel, but that sensibility of really doing something which will stay with you and excite you and which you can love for a longer period of time is what you try to bring to any project. My entire philosophy of finding the balance between what all goes into a home or a space, it really all comes from nature. I mean, it's so perfectly balanced. Everything in some form or another is connected to everything else. So that's a sort of symbiosis that really one is striving for. When it comes to style, I like to think we have a signature sensibility rather than a signature style. One should design with style rather than design a style. There's a beautiful definition of architecture that it's frozen music. Seeking to leave an imprint on time for a designer, it's like seeking perfection. Perfection, I believe you start your journey in life trying to find the perfect one, but the journey ends when you find the one that you love. Searching for that imprint on time is both a responsibility and a desire. A responsibility because we've inherited this craft from previous generations. It's our duty to take it forward. To what extent that desire is fulfilled is a question which only time can answer.